Many people who are new to gardening believe that onions are one of the easiest crops to grow. Just put them in the ground and let nature do the rest. In reality, things often turn out very differently. Instead of strong plants, you may end up with pale leaves, small bulbs, or sudden rot that ruins all your effort. These problems are rarely caused by bad luck. In most cases, they happen because one crucial step is skipped before planting. This is where the real difference is made between a successful harvest and a disappointing season. The moment onion bulbs come into contact with moist soil, they are exposed to multiple threats. Fungi, bacteria, and pests are already present in the ground, waiting for the chance to attack an unprotected surface. Without any form of protection, root and leaf development can slow down significantly or even stop completely. That's why gardeners have relied on simple, natural techniques for generations to give onions a strong advantage from day one. One of the most practical solutions used in organic gardening today is neem powder, derived from the neem tree. This natural substance is well known for repelling pests, limiting fungal growth, and helping plants defend themselves against insects such as onion flies and thrips. Neem powder is widely available in garden centers and health stores. The preparation process is quick and straightforward. Add about 1 tablespoon of neem powder to a container of lukewarm water and mix thoroughly. Place the onion bulbs into the solution and let them soak for a few hours, long enough to absorb the protective properties, but not so long that they become soft or overly saturated. After soaking, remove the bulbs without rinsing them and allow them to air dry naturally. Once the surface is dry, they are ready to be planted in prepared soil. This method creates a natural protective layer that reduces the risk of disease and helps the onions start growing faster and stronger. Do not discard the remaining solution. Dilute it with additional water and use it to water garden beds or other plants. Of course, always choose firm, healthy bulbs, as no treatment can fix poor quality planting material. If neem powder is not available, wood ash or baking soda can be used as effective alternatives. These are classic, time-tested options that are easy to find and commonly used by gardeners. This small but smart preparation step is often the deciding factor between harvesting large, healthy bulbs and struggling with problems throughout the growing season. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out the next video that's appearing on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.